Hi, thank you for joining me for another art lesson. Today it is all about fall trees. So we are in the fall season. Students love this project. Basically, you start off helping them with drawing skills, so helping the students draw a tree. If you're doing this at home, start with the trunk. Think of parallel lines within your trunk. Start there. Usually start at the base of your paper and then go up. I always like to say do a little hole in the tree and figure out maybe what animal you want to draw in there for your older elementary students. I also go into talking about the fall season and the colors. So we talk about just mixing two very simple colors like red and yellow. What does that make? And they all yell out orange. So I always try to have it be a challenge. Can they have their tree turn orange when they're mixing those two colors? Now, the other thing is I also have the students spend time on the background and really draw their background. So I give them ideas like, hey guys, can you put mountains in the back of your tree? Let's put this tree in a setting. I also talk about the clouds. What color are the clouds? Let's color them in. Some students like to add birds in the sky as well. When you're talking about the animal in the tree, talk about like different animals that live in trees. So squirrels, and then open it up to students being able to draw any animal in the tree that they feel like they can draw. And then for the painting part, sponge painting is just a really kind of fun way of painting. I always tell them, don't think about it as painting a house. Really think about stamping. And they love it. So they'll dip the brush, basically the sponge brush, in yellow, and then they'll dip it in red. And then as the colors mix together, it will turn orange. So their tree slowly changes color. For the older students, they do like to draw in Sharpie. So I have them outline the branches in Sharpie, use markers, of course, too, for coloring it in. This is a fun project. Give it a try. It really is appropriate for K through 5th. You can kind of alter the same lesson appropriately, kind of tailor it to the age group that you're teaching at the time. Hey future artists, thanks for joining me for another art lesson. Don't forget to check out my next video for another lesson idea or something to do for a home project for art. Smash that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video, guys.